Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. All right, we got another fantastic recipe again with octopus.
Octopus again.
Right, so let's show everyone what our ingredients are here.
Okay, so this is I cooked hour and a half already. It's very very soft, right? So I'm gonna do these two pieces. I'm gonna make a tempura with tempura butter and scallion.
Okay.
And then
Some of you have seen the video previously, right? That's
Yes.
how we. And again.
yeah, exactly same process. I'm gonna make the tempura,
Okay.
and then after load it up with the avocado, with this tempura,
Yeah.
octopus tempura. Then these two pieces gonna be on the top of the roll.
Okay. Very very nice.
Yeah, very simple recipe today.
I can tell you this octopus is so tender. Here, boil it for like I said, about an hour and a half or so. And inside with the water that you're boiling with was kombu, right? That's your kombu?
That's good. Yes.
Right. And then a little salt. Okay, here's some.
Okay, let's start with the tempura parts.
Okay.
Okay.
This is so tender. If you guys saw our previously done video with this, so good.
Okay, tempura parts is finished. Let's start to roll it up. Okay. The avocado. Avocado is a little bit hot. And octopus. It's good, right?
Look at like how the end is just hanging out there.
Okay, load it up. Okay, now I'm gonna do another boiled octopus top of the roll. push that on. Okay. So maybe 5 pieces. So far good. Okay, it's a very soft, so I'm gonna make a little shape up. Okay.
Wow,
looks
came out
good.
nice. Wow.
Okay, and the little bit of sesame oil. Okay, then I'm gonna touch. Okay, this is a onion, fried onion,
Okay.
or just fried garlic. So, either way, a little crunchy stuff on top. Okay, that's it.
Wow.
Tempura octopus.
Boiled tempura and grilled octopus.
Roll.
Check this out. Tell me this doesn't look delicious. Another unbelievable creation, Hiro. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you soon.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Hiro-san, Best part of all, tasting.
Tasting.
Let's go for it. Enjoy. Itadakimasu.
Yes, I'm gonna take this big bite.
Take a look at this. What a fantastic, beautiful, delicious looking roll.
Octopus inside, outside.
Oh,
Mm.
super soft octopus.
Mm.
That's a lot of octopus too.
Mm. But like I say, very very soft.
Very soft, right?
Mm.
Let's take a look. All right, let me get a piece here. Oh, rice is still warm. Mm. I really like it. The tempura octopus inside is really nice. You can tell it's really soft and it's crunchy at the same time. Also, you taste the grilled octopus and a little of the eel sauce. It's a little bit sweet and the texture from the onion. I've never had this before. I've never had the eel sauce with any kind of octopus. But like this way, because it's fried inside and a little torched on the outside, actually it's very, very good. I didn't think I was going to like it when I saw you putting the eel sauce, but actually it's really good. Really, really enjoyable. Oh yeah. What a creation, Hiro.
Yeah.
Thanks again. See you guys soon.
So, see you next time.